Hi, I'm Miss Pop Nails, and I'm going to show you an easy nail art tutorial that requires no tools, nothing special. All you need is 2 bottles of nail polish, any color you like. I'm going with 2 shades of blue because Pantone picked a shade of blue as the color of 2020 because it inspires calm, and I'd love some of that right now. We want to start with clean, bare nails. So after you give yourself a manicure, take a little bit of cotton, put some remover on it, and just cleanse that nail bed. So this next step is totally optional but extra fabulous. So if you feel up to it, grab that painter's tape you have lying around the house from that time you decided to paint that accent wall, and you can use the rest of it to create some negative space nail art. What you want to do is rub it down on your nail and then seal in the sides either using an orange stick or a dotting tool or even just your nail. Just get in the corners and make sure that is a tight seal. Now we're gonna apply some base coat. If you did apply painter's tape, totally cool. Just don't seal it in with base coat. Absolutely fine if you get some base coat and paint on the tape. That's what it's there for. But if you didn't, no worries. Just cover your entire nail with base coat. So for the next step, I want you to paint 2/3 of your nail, about 2/3 of the way across the nail with one color. I'm gonna use my darker blue here. 2 coats, okay? So now I want you to take out that second color. Using the brush in the bottle, I want you to wipe it along the neck, get almost all the color off, like 95%. So when you can see every single hair or bristle on that brush, then you're ready for this step. You're gonna take it and swipe it up the middle of your nail, and you should get like a very streaky effect. That's what we're looking for. If for some reason what you got was like a blob of polish and it's easy to fix, don't sweat it. What you do is you use the other color, do the same technique, wipe it along the neck until you can see every bristle, and then swipe back up the middle, and voila, you're gonna have that streaky blended look. So now there should be 1/3 of the nail left, waiting for color. So take your second color and just fill it in with 2 coats. So this part is the trickiest business of the whole look, when to lift the tape. Now I like to lift it when it isn't wet, but it isn't completely dry. I like to call it set. It's like you touch it and the color wouldn't come off on your fingers, so it's not like super wet, but it might leave like a fingerprint. If for some reason you leave it on too long, don't worry. It'll just give you sort of like a mountain range, little ridges of nail polish color along the edge. We can fix that with top coat or with the next step, so don't sweat it. After you lift the tape, if you found that there's some residual polish either on your nail or on your skin, no problem. Grab your trusty cleanup brush. Now I'm using one I got from the art supply store, but you can use an old eyeshadow brush, an old eyeliner brush, whatever you have laying around the house. Just promise me you'll never use it on your face again, because once it goes in this acetone, it should never come anywhere near your face. Oh, which brings me to my next point. Dunk it in the acetone. Once your brush is in the acetone, you're free to clean up whatever stray polish is laying around on your nail bed or on your sidewalls. Now it's time for my favorite part, sealing your look with top coat. Don't forget to cap your free edge. They'll help your mani last longer. Oh man, I'm sure your nails look so fabulous, everyone in your Zoom meetings is gonna comment, for sure. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Miss Pop Nails, and I'll see you next time.